Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm really excited today because I got my first kit from the Happy Crafter Shop. And this one is the Halloween Boo Kit. I'm sure some of you have probably seen the design team members opening up their kits, and I was lucky enough to be able to snag one up. So this was the release for September, and let's just jump right in. Can't wait. So exciting. So here is Lisa's information. You've got her Instagram, her YouTube, and her shop there. So excited for that. And then inside she's using the black tissue for Halloween. And let's dive in. Yes. So the first thing I got in the box is this really cute ready-to-bead dangle. Look at how adorable that is with the little ghosty in his jack-o'-lantern candy bucket there. So that's cute. And then there is a packet here of these kind of look like melon colored jelly beads, and they're square. Okay, and here's some green ones of that color. Ooh, there's a lot in here. We've got purple. All the fun Halloween colors. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. And the orange. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So we've got some witch cabochons. Really spooky looking. And some cute little scarecrow guys. Those are cute too. Hope you guys don't mind me not taking this out of the packaging. I think you can probably see them okay. Oh, let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. These I am going to take out. These are AB beads in black and orange. And look at how pretty those are. So pretty. Those are going to be great on a dangle. I love it, love it, love it. And then she included a roll of the orange and a roll of the black tape. So those are super helpful. I use my tape all the time from the Happy Crafter. So thank you for those. And then she included this really cute pack of cabochons. We've got ghosts, and these look like, oh, I don't know. Let's just open it up. So we've got these candies with the spooky faces and the cute little ghosts. And then this looks like a cauldron with a bow on it. I think that's what that is. The bow looks like it has a little skull in the middle there. So cute. Let's see. Ooh, there's these. Ghost witches. And this cute little guy here, so adorable. There's a couple of those. Actually, these are all duplicates, so you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in a pack, and you get 2 of each design, so those are super cute. You get a pack of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 giant lobster clasps. Those will come in handy. Ooh, she sent me a little freebie here. Thank you for your order. So let's dig into this. Lisa is great about giving her customers a freebie in their orders. Oh, wow. So it's a small beadable chain with a dangle on the end, and it says professional pot stirrer. And it did come with a couple of little beads here, black, pink, and a light pink. So that's really nice. Thank you, Lisa, for that. I appreciate it. Then there are these black button. They're not buttons. They are beads. So those are really cool. And you know what else you could probably put a little image on there and decorate these up. So those are nice. Love that. And then there is this pack of the plastic pumpkin beads. You get green, purple, and orange. Just pull out a couple of each color. So those are really cool. I'm not sure what size these are. Actually, you know what? I have my packing slip right here. Let's see if it says. Oh, no, it doesn't. It just says kit on it. So anyway, those are nice. Love that. And then there is some, this looks like mini pom-pom trim in black. Yes. So that's going to come in handy for Halloween crafting. Look at that. Wow, very nice. And the last thing in here, uh-oh, can I get this out? Oh, how cute is that? It's the 3x3 ghost note card. So you get the shadow die here. It says boo. You have some little, there's a bow for the hair. There's the eye and mouth, and a little bow if you want to make it a boy. And look at how cute this is with the little ghost topping there. There's a layering piece here. So yeah, that's going to be fun to play around with. So that's what I got in my boo kit. And I love everything that's in here. I mean, everything is so cool and coordinated for the Halloween season. And yeah, I can't wait to start crafting with these. I am in a swap coming up, and I'm going to be sure to use some of these in my swap. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my Halloween boo kit from the Happy Crafter Shop. If you're interested in any of this, be sure to check out her channel. And let me find her tag again. You can go to her Instagram, her YouTube, or go to her shop directly and see if any kits are still available. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Keep your eyes open for some upcoming projects, and I'll catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.